Kuman United Club and Meira Paibis Association, Kucma, along with Mayang Imphal Youth Association, MYKKAE, have strongly condemned the frequent arrests of UNLF cadres, who are currently in political dialogue with the union government following a peace agreement. Speaking at a press conference at Mayang Imphal, KUC MA General Secretary Yumnam Dijendro Mangang voiced strong dissatisfaction over the detention of 3 UNLF cadres by Jirvan police on August 7 after they were summoned under the pretext of holding talks, demanding their immediate release. He also cited a past incident where former UNLF Chief of Army Staff, Tokjom Ashidaba Mapu alias Yanishore, was arrested under framed charges. Dijendro Mangang warned that such actions risk derailing the ongoing peace process and eroding public trust in the peace agreement.
MPA기 미호이승 파워 야닌데 마코이부 컨디션 라우나 타도피오 마코이부 파워 하이버세 사터리바 peace agreement 아마디 political dialogue 와한 톡 내한다버니 하이는 로 government of India 아마디 울레 아니기 미락다 동너리바 peace agreement 미암는 서고트나 아코이 락거네 아두보 아숨바 미암는 서골리바 peace agreement 아시보 가리금바 폴라 그노기 government기 SPSing, OCSing, amadi mari lenabo authorities na tugai na siliba se. Koi sarkar asin masih tidok bio, makoi montam de action lokat bio. Karigumba lakot taba tarakati. Amadi akoi na hajan giba akoi keda ulabi keda resibo. Kudak hadorok taba tarakati. JDUM di Imphal jirigi. Siyo sujin tangsil po kongjeng sinda mayang kandal liriba. Kucma amadi maiki na masih kongkang sen na leptuna. Makataba kongjeng kaya saru yana ba sem sa